How to remove card from Garmin Pay. Garmin Connect is a free online and mobile tool that allows users to track, analyze, and share their health and fitness activities. To remove a card from your Garmin Pay wallet, follow these steps. Launch the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Access the menu by selecting the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, or the More option, depending on your device. Navigate to Garmin devices and tap Garmin Pay to open wallet settings. Choose the card you wish to remove from your wallet. Tap Delete to remove the card from your Garmin Pay wallet. If you encounter any issue, you can contact Garmin Connect customer service. You can also automatically share your Garmin recorded workouts to Strava, since if it's not on Strava it didn't happen. Thanks for watching.